Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to get a refund on a paid subscription from Apple App Store. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So you may be in a situation where you get this email from Apple with regards to a subscription receipt. As you can see, I had a receipt from the App Store about my Apple TV Plus subscription. Now, from what I can remember, I did subscribe to the 1-year free subscription for Apple TV Plus, but I did not want to continue after that. So let me show you how to get a refund on this if your intentions was not to renew or you've bought it by mistake. In the email from Apple, you'll need to click on Report a Problem. Then sign into your Apple account. After signing into your account, you'll come to this page. Here, select the options. Where it says what can we help you with, select Request a Refund. Now you'll see another drop-down menu appear. From here, select I did not intend to renew my subscription. Down below, you'll see all the subscriptions which you have subscribed to. Select the subscription and then press Next. A claim will be then sent to Apple and they will reply back to you in the next 48 hours. To check a status of an existing claim, click on Check Status Claim at the top. You'll see all your claim statuses which you have made. And that is how to get a refund on a paid subscription from Apple App Store. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.